Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. We're working on the drill rack again, but we're going to add something this time. Each time I look at this, I think, oh, there's one more improvement that I could make. And today I think one of the big things that I could do is put something on here that would hold the hex bits. Now this has pretty much been drill bit city anyways. We've got a shelf full of drill bits here, another shelf full of drills and taps and threading dies, and this has been hole making central. Whole drawer full of standard drill bits. I've got numbered drill bits, letter drill bits, got all kinds of things. But I had the hex bits mostly over there. Those are driver bits for the impact driver and power screwdrivers and things. Years and years ago, I got this little kit from Ryan for Christmas one year. And all it is a series of drawers that clip together and hold various things. They're separated so that you can put hex bits in there. And they're kind of nice because you can say, okay, this drawer has Phillips head, this drawer has straight bits, this drawer has Torx bits. You see the drill. It's kind of like the storeroom and all the little shelves. Well, I intend to put this up here. The way this thing mounts, it's got a little panel with 4 holes in it that you attach to the bottom of a shelf. You slide the drawers onto the panel and they clip into place, kind of latch there, and then you can pull stuff out of the drawers and put it back, and just in general be able to find things, which when you're in the middle of a project, how often do you lose minutes, if not hours, just hunting for something that you know you've got? So this is going to be a big help in the process. I've got all the drill motors parked here. This is a drill driver. Kind of a handy thing to have. So now I'm going to have the bits for that, and they'll be in here and right there where I can find them. First thing I have to do, set one screw. Doesn't matter where it is, doesn't matter how I set it, as long as I get one screw in there. I'm going to set the first one right about here. And it's going to be back from the edge a ways. Then I square up the panel. Just eyeball it. It doesn't have to be perfect. You'd be amazed how close your eyeball is. When you see something, and you look at it and it looks square, chances are it is, because that's how you know it's not square. You look at it and you go, that doesn't look right. When I picked the screw, all I was looking for was a screw that wouldn't extend to the top of the board. Nothing other than that. Something that would fit in the hole and not extend to the top of the board. Perfect. Now I just, oops, now what did I do? I have to take off one of these things. Easily done. Just take this and slide it up on there. Run that one back up where it was. There we go. Another job done. Pretty simple, but this is going to save a couple of steps each time I do something because I won't have to walk around trying to find something. This was buried underneath a pile of things in there. And there's a set of hex bits over there that are easy to get to, but they're on the opposite side of the shop. Those are nice for when I'm working on that bench. This will be nice when I pick up the drill motor and I need a drill, or I pick up the impact driver and I need a special bit. It has a space to store an extra bit on there. I keep a straight bit in there and a Phillips in here. So, small steps. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.